Croatia and Slovenia in the month of October with my wife. We were there from 10th October to 21st October, roughly 12 days, and out of which we were there in Slovenia for 3 days, and the rest 9 days in Croatia. It was a total 11, 12 days trip.
So was October the as in perfect season for visiting these countries, or you had this on mind and you just planned it out of the blue?
So, Prathamesh, October is typically a shoulder season. So, for European countries, not just Croatia, majorly European countries, they have their peak season from July to August, or you can say mid-June to first, second week of September, if we extend it. So, that is their peak season. From September mid onwards till October end is the fall and the autumn, or we can say, and that is the shoulder season. That is called a shoulder season because it is neither a peak season nor a off season. Off season starts from November onwards. So this means October will definitely attract less crowds as compared to the peak season. At the same time, of course, climate would be a bit different. It could be a bit cold as compared to August and July and August. But yeah, my main reason was less crowd, and of course, you get some options, stay options for cheap prices as compared to the peak season. So this was the main thought process behind October.
So basically, you prefer traveling to foreign countries during off season, or maybe not during the peak season, so that you can enjoy all the spots and whatever destination spots, tourist spots are there with less crowd.
Yes, definitely. Because in peak season, you will have to stand in long queues. From my experience, the spots which we covered, we observed, we were told by the guides and everyone, the organizers, that the queue in peak season usually goes around for 1 or 2 hours. But since it was October, we we had to just stand in queue for 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the max at the major attractions.
Yes.
So that's definitely a point. Of course, there's a disadvantage, sometimes disadvantage as well. As I said, a season could be a bit more cold. There could be a bit rain. There could be bit rains, showers in October. But that is okay. That is manageable.
Yeah.